In our world, respiration is a vital constant. It balances elements of the atmosphere with elements of our blood and forges a deep alliance with the cardiovascular system. The respiratory system plays an important role in gas exchange, sound production, olfaction, and blood chemistry homeostasis, which are all crucial processes to our bodies. The respiratory system is more than the simple pumping in and out of gases. In reality, it is a labyrinth of anatomical structures coupled with biochemical processes that collectively allow the body to carry out ventilation and cellular respiration. Oxygen we breathe in becomes the recipient of protons to create water in the process of making ATP, the body's staple unit of energy. The carbon dioxide we breathe out in exchange is first cleaved from nutrients we eat as part of the process of glucose catabolism and energy production. The respiratory system is divided into the upper respiratory tract, conductive elements proximate to the vocal cords, and the lower respiratory tract, conductive elements and gas exchange elements distal to the vocal cords. The mouth and nostrils communicate with the oral and nasal cavities respectively. These cavities converge in the pharynx or throat. The pharynx communicates with the larynx or voice box. The larynx sits proximately to the trachea, which divides into the primary, then secondary, then tertiary bronchi. These communicate with the bronchioles, terminal and respiratory bronchioles, which host alveoli, the richly vascularized sites of gas exchange. As air is expelled through the larynx, it vibrates dynamic folds of tissue, the vocal cords, to produce sound. This sound is further modified by our tongue, mouth, and nasal cavity to produce speech. We should also consider the impact of activities like smoking and vaping on the respiratory system. Nicotine restricts terminal bronchioles, and carbon monoxide competitively binds to hemoglobin. As a result of a multitude of factors like these that affect our biology, changes that take place in this system cause issues like lung cancer. These effects are evident on a histological level. For example, alveolar walls are destroyed and lead to the loss of surface area for respiration, decreased elasticity of the lungs, and more, all of which are a part of emphysema. An inside look at the workings of the respiratory system will allow us to understand its outer functions and the diseases involved with it.